Do you spend hours on YouTube watching videos, searching for topics, liking or leaving comments? Every second, every click, every moment you spend on YouTube is fully recorded in a hidden place, not inside YouTube itself. No, it's inside your Google account. And the disaster is that this feature is enabled by default without anyone telling you, and most people don't even know it exists. Focus with me. This video is very important, and it contains serious details we'll uncover now. What is this feature? It's called Manage All YouTube Activity. It's a complete log that your Google account keeps of everything you've done on YouTube, the keywords you search for, the videos you open, even for just a few seconds, every like or comment, the time you spent on each video, your interactions, how fast you skipped, or if you returned to a video, etc. Why is this dangerous? If anyone manages to access your Google account, even temporarily, they will know everything you've done on YouTube, from very normal videos to sensitive ones. Even if you delete the history inside YouTube, this feature still keeps a hidden copy. Also, Google uses this data for ads. They take this activity and build a profile about you to target you with personalized ads, which is in reality just direct and annoying tracking. In addition, the videos you see are not random. Google uses this log to decide what appears to you, even if you don't want that. How to stop this feature and delete everything old. Open the browser you use on your device and log in with your main Google account. Go to this link. I'll leave it in the video description, myaccount.google.com. From the menu, choose Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find a section called History Settings. You'll find an option called YouTube History. Click it, and a page will open with a toggle switch. Turn it off. Now YouTube will stop recording any new activity for you. Also, scroll further down the page, and you'll find an option called Manage History. Click it. And it will show you all your YouTube activities with time and date. Choose Delete, then choose Delete All. This way, you've deleted all your past YouTube activities from Google's log, not just from the app. Important note, even if you use incognito mode, this activity is still recorded unless you stop it yourself from Google settings. In the end, these steps are not just deleting the normal history, they actually stop the hidden tracking that Google does on your YouTube activity. If you care about your privacy, do these steps today before your account remains exposed to anyone. Wishing you a safer digital life. See you in the next video.